You know, when I hear the foreign speakers talk, I hear a lot of common sounds come out of them, okay? Like Mexicans, it's like, I. I hear, it seems like I hear that a lot. I. Or, the Chinese are like, ong, 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 ong. Alright? It's just like a prevalent sound. Or the Russians, I hear a lot of sh, 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 sh. They're like, they're like shh, shh. They like shush. They have this shh about them. The Arabs, of course, they got that throaty, like they got something stuck in their throat. It's such a prevalent sound that comes out of them, the languages. I was trying to think of others, but I was trying to think of Indians. What do the Indians sound like? All right, they have their distinct sounds, but it's hard to single them out because more of them actually speak English with each other. Okay, they choose English, and that could be because they were placed under British control, and all the other countries weren't, pretty much. So it's hard to really single out the Indians, but there's not that many Indians. There's not that many Russians. The French, they're like you just it's just the French are distinct too, but I don't. This area I've been noticing more French and and Russian.